오늘은 자신의 이익을 위해 경찰관을 사칭하려 한 3가지 사건을 소개해드리겠습니다. 미국에서 스쿨버스 정지 표지판이 펼쳐져 있는 동안에는 완전히 정지하고 있어야 하며 버스가 출발할 때까지 대기하는 것이 규칙입니다. 어린 학생들의 안전을 위협할 수도 있기에 미국에서는 매우 심각하게 다루어집니다. 첫 번째 주인공 49살 제프리는 2017년 3월 8일 조지아주에서 운전을 하던 중 스쿨버스 정지 신호를 무시하고 주행했습니다. 그것을 목격한 로우 경관이 제프리를 멈춰 세웠고 검문하기 시작합니다.
You just need to see your driver's license, please.
What are you stopping me for?
You didn't see the school bus stopped on the side of the road?
Didn't see it.
Another car beside you stopped.
No, sir, didn't see it. You can't exercise courtesy for me?
Why should I exercise courtesy?
Because number one, I did not see the bus, honestly.
You do understand it's a serious traffic offense in the state of Georgia.
I understand. I've written 1,000 tickets myself.
Are you with somebody?
Right now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Who?
Why would I exchange that information?
Well, then I'll write you a ticket. If you won't tell me who you're with, I'll write you the ticket. You want to tell me who you're with or not? That's fine. I'll just write the ticket.
제프리는 실제로 조지아주 헤이프빌 경찰서에서 근무했던 기록이 있었습니다. 하지만 2007년도에 근무 중 부업을 병행하고 공권력을 남용하며 상사의 명령에 불복종하고 부정적인 발언을 한 것이 문제가 되어 결국 해고되었습니다. 여자친구가 옆에 타 있어서 그랬는지 그는 자신이 현역 경찰관이라고 거짓말을 하며 로우 경찰관에게 공격적인 태도를 취합니다.
Thanks a lot. Appreciate you, man.
Okay. You on the job somewhere?
I can't tell you, sir. I mean, what's that difference? What difference does it make?
Almost 29 years
if
of
I'm
policing.
a Georgia post, yeah, and I've got 27.
Okay.
But after 27 years,
I've never
had someone treat me like that.
Treat you like what?
Yeah, like you're treating me. Yeah.
I've never had anybody not say,
Dude,
sir.
Be a nice guy. I said,
I'm
sir,
with so and so.
No, I don't say that.
Okay.
That's not how I operate.
Even when I ask you who you're with,
I'm not gonna tell you.
That's fine.
You know who I am.
No, I don't.
You have my driver's license.
Yeah. Does GCIC return and tell me that you're a popo? But you riding with your blue hat on.
I got my hat on.
But if you don't want anybody to know who you are, I wouldn't wear the hat.
조지아주에선 면허증을 GCIC로 신원 조회를 하게 되는데 경찰관이 해고된 기록은 범죄 기록이 아니기에 관련 정보들이 나오지 않습니다. 또한 로우 경찰관이 언급한 파란 모자는 뜬 블루라인이라는 모자로 경찰이 법과 질서를 지키는 수호자라는 의미를 상징합니다. 주로 경찰관이 이 모자를 착용합니다.
Have a good
Yeah, I
day.
didn't see a bus.
It's on the side of the road. It's all on HD video. We can go down right now. I'll show it to you.
Show it to me right there. It's fine.
I can't. I have to have a second unit here, so his video's
He's
on.
coming, right?
Yeah, he's
So
coming.
Please, yeah, show me.
I'm okay.
I'm interested in the bus. I definitely am.
Just hang tight in the car.
I'm good.
He'll be here in just a minute.
If you don't mind, I just like to stand.
Okay. You're not armed, are you?
I'm not armed.
Okay.
And I wouldn't harm another officer for my life.
Well, I don't know that you're another officer.
현재는 아니지만 예전에 경찰관으로 일했었다는 한마디만 했으면 됐을 문제를 제프리는 끝까지 똥꼬집을 부리기 시작합니다. 결국 대시캠까지 확인하는 상황이 되었습니다. 영상에도 스쿨버스 정지 신호가 명확히 보임에도 그는 끝까지 보지 못했다고 우깁니다. 이제 벌금 고지서를 가지고 사라지면 끝일 문제를 제프리는 또다시 상황을 악화시킵니다.
I've never written a cop in 29 years. Your attitude's what's got you. And I still don't even know if you're a cop. But I extended you the courtesy
Let me
to
see
let
if
you
I
look at
got
the
my
video.
certification in here, okay?
No, certification, I need to know who you're with.
Okay. Really?
Yeah.
Why?
Because anybody can be certified and have
That's true.
lost their damn job.
Oh, I haven't lost a job.
Well,
I'm very employed.
Dude.
Trust me. I got people in the business that are very high ranking. Put it that way.
So do I got a chief.
로우 경관은 그가 해고된 경찰관일 수도 있다는 엄청난 촉을 보여주었습니다. 제프리는 그대로 집으로 돌아갔고 로우 경관은 경찰서에서 그에 대한 조사를 하기 시작합니다. 제프리가 2007년도에 해고된 경찰관이고 현재 그 어떤 법 기관에도 소속되어 있지 않다는 것을 밝혀내자 로우 경관은 경찰 사칭죄 혐의로 영장을 받아낸 후 곧바로 제프리의 집으로 향했습니다.
Came to talk to you about that ticket. You don't have to worry about it. Because I have a warrant for your arrest for impersonating a police officer. Step away and place your hands on the car.
I'm post certified. I got my credentials in the car.
Place your hands on the hood, please, sir. Turn around.
Please do not do this.
Warrant's already been signed by the judge.
Please adjust the cuffs.
I've already locked them down.
You think I'm going to hurt you?
No, I'm going to make sure you're not. Just have a seat in the
I mean,
car.
can you adjust the cuffs so I can sit right?
Just have a seat in the car.
제프리는 결국 스쿨버스 추월 혐의와 경찰 사칭 혐의로 체포되었습니다. 그는 버스 추월 혐의에만 유죄를 인정했고 $500의 벌금 그리고 12개월의 집행유예를 선고받았습니다. 경찰 사칭 혐의는 취하되었습니다. 그 다음 주인공은 자신의 개인 차량에 비상등을 켜고 운전하던 33살의 맥키입니다.
Hey, partner.
Hi.
Hey, I'm Officer Park with the Akron Police Department.
How are you?
That's my chief of police right there. He saw y'all go around traffic. He was trying to figure out who y'all are with or what was going on.
Yeah, I'm an off-duty hero operator.
Oh, off-duty
Yeah.
hero operator?
How you doing, Chief?
Hey.
I'm an off-duty operator. I just working off regularly. That's my ID. That's my badge.
Why is the car registered to an individual?
That's mine. This is my company.
So what are you doing with all these red lights?
Sorry?
Why all this emergency lights? And did I see you using emergency lights to pull out into traffic on Lake Eckworth Drive?
That's a standstill. So I flashed the lights hoping to see me that I was trying to get in the line.
Who do you work for?
This is my company. I'm an off-duty hero operator. This is my company.
맥키가 말하는 히어로는 도로에서 긴급 상황이 발생했을 때 대응하는 역할을 합니다. 정부기관에 의해 고용된 직원이기에 개인 차량에 비상등을 설치하는 것은 허용되지 않습니다. 맥키가 입고 있는 유니폼도 경찰관의 유니폼과 너무나도 비슷해 보이기에 서장은 탐탁치 않아 합니다.
So you look like me, you're impersonating a police officer.
No, sir. I'm not impersonating, sir. Chief.
Yeah.
I'm not trying to be no pain in your hip, but Chief, please, man. I'm not a bad person. Please, Chief. I beg of you.
I don't think you're a bad. Let me have your business card. I don't think you're a bad person.
No, I just don't
but
want to
I think
get.
you're impersonating a police officer.
I don't want to. No, I don't impersonate police officers, sir. That's why I was careful. I present myself and my uniform. Also, I'm a former police in the Bahamas.
I want to verify your employment, and I'm probably going to have CID look into this. To be honest with you, to see what you're doing. I
know, Chief.
I don't feel good.
Chief.
Force is great.
Chief, I can show you my LLC. I can show you my LLC right now.
I'll let them handle it.
서장은 맥키를 보내준 후 그를 조사하기 시작하였고 맥키는 실제로 히어로 대원이었지만 1월 달에 해고된 후 배지를 잃어버렸다며 반납하지 않았던 사실을 확인했습니다. 그는 경찰 사칭죄로 기소되었고 자신은 경찰관이라고 말한 적 없다고 주장했습니다. 맥키는 $2,500의 보석금을 내고 풀려났습니다. 그 다음 주인공은 애쉬빌 출신의 26살 케이시입니다.
Hi there. You're an actual Cleveland police officer?
No, I'm not with Cleveland PD. I work for Cleveland Watchmen. We're a security company that hires only off-duty police officers to do traffic control for.
Are you an off-duty police officer?
Yeah.
So who are you with?
Pickway Sheriff's Office.
Pickway.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
So you're out of Ohio and you're here working in Franklin County in Whitehall as an off-duty police officer.
No, I'm working as a security guard.
No, you're uniform marked as a police officer. You're working as a police officer right now with a car that has red and blue lights on it.
Yeah.
All right.
I've got some paperwork I can give to you from.
Absolutely, and I'll need to get your information. I've been asked to come up here by my deputy chief and get that.
Okay.
클리브랜드 워치맨은 교통 통제나 보안 업무를 담당하며 경찰 경험이 있는 사람들로 보안 인력을 고용함으로써 일반 보안 회사보다 더 전문적이고 신뢰도 있는 서비스를 제공합니다. 설립자는 경찰관 출신으로 경찰들이 추가 수입을 얻을 수 있는 구조로 만들었다고 말했습니다. 하지만 여기서 문제가 되었던 건 K씨가 목에 걸고 있던 경찰 배지였습니다.
Tell me what's wrong with it.
It's plastic.
Yeah, that's what he was displaying. And have you ever been sworn in by them?
I've talked to the chief.
No. I'm asking you a direct question. Have you been sworn in
Now,
by
this is
them?
very important you answer this correctly, because being a former police officer or someday a current police officer, you know if you lie in this situation, you go directly to jail.
No, I'm not.
So I'm going to put that right
Listen,
out.
I'm not.
So if
I'm
you
not,
are telling me you are a police officer right now, is that what you're telling me?
No.
So you are not a commissioned police officer.
I have spoke with the chief.
That's not what I'm asking you.
Okay.
I'm asking you one question. Are you a commissioned police officer through the state of Ohio?
I have an OPUDA certificate.
That's not what I'm
That's
asking.
not what we're asking you.
I'm explaining to you. I have
No, you're not. You're not answering the question. You're avoiding the question. It's very simple. Are you a sworn police officer anywhere in the state of
means
Ohio with
commissioned.
any department?
Not currently.
Okay, that's the
Not that.
question.
Well,
Not currently.
I'm unsure. I'm unsure.
You can't be unsure.
You can't be unsure.
You would have to raise your hand, swear,
Okay.
sign a form, and you would get
I've talked to the
paperwork on that.
K씨는 클리브랜드 워치맨의 직원도 아니었고 경찰관도 아닌 것으로 밝혀졌습니다. 그는 2020년 9월까지 교도관으로 일을 하다가 경찰관을 사칭한 혐의로 해고된 상태였습니다. 경찰 사칭죄가 재범일 경우 이것은 중범죄로 간주되며 형량과 벌금이 가중됩니다. 상황의 심각성을 느낀 K씨는 이제 경찰관들에게 빌기 시작합니다.
I'm asking you for courtesy, man to man. Please do not ruin my career. Please.
I think you did that kind of on your own, Casey.
Please.
All right. The Pickaway County. You knew you didn't work for Pickaway County. You displayed that badge. You're out here acting in law enforcement capacity, displaying a badge that you have no right to have, or a facsimile of a badge. That's not even a real badge. You're going to be charged.
Oh, seriously?
I'm serious, okay? Now, we're going to be nice about this, okay? And we're going to take you over, and you can take your gun belt off, and you can set it on the hood of that car, and we're going to take you in. We don't have to handcuff you. This officer is going to pat you down, all right? And we'll let you out, all right, on a summons, all right?
K씨는 결국 경찰서로 이송되었고 그의 차 안에선 총을 비롯한 많은 경찰 장비들이 발견되었습니다. 과거에는 경찰견 K9 소유권에 대해 허위로 서류 제출을 시도한 기록도 밝혀졌습니다. 그는 경찰관을 사칭한 혐의와 차량 내 총기 부적절 취급 혐의로 기소되었습니다. 아직까지 정확한 판결 결과는 나오지 않았습니다.